Sending Bitcoin from Atomic Wallet is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Open Atomic Wallet. Launch the Atomic Wallet app on your device and log in using your password or biometric authentication. Select Bitcoin. On the main wallet interface, locate and click on Bitcoin from the list of available assets. Tap on Send. Once you are in the Bitcoin wallet section, click on the Send button. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Copy the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address and paste it into the designated field. Alternatively, you can scan their QR code if available. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct, as Bitcoin transactions cannot be reversed. Enter the amount. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can input it in BTC or the equivalent fiat value. Review transaction details. Verify the recipient address, the amount, and the transaction fee. Atomic Wallet will calculate the network fee required for the transaction. Confirm the transaction. Tap Send to confirm. You may need to re-enter your wallet password to authorize the transaction.